Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to unpack and install YYG electric bicycle. So let's open the box. Cut the bands, the tape. Okay, here's our bike. The next step is take off front wheel. Let's do it. Front wheel fender, headlight. And now let's take off protective foam. Okay, here's the pump. Here's the charger, tool set and tire X, and cell phone holder. The next step is set up handlebar. First of all, we need to take off 4 screws. You must be sure that this point in the middle of this circle. The next step is install kickstand. Take off the screws and put it in these 2 holes. And tied it with spanner. The next step is install fender. Take out the screws, this one, and let's install the front wheel fender. The small part should be in front of the bike. The next step is installing the front wheel. Take off the covers first. And you must be sure that the wheel in the right position. The line and tie bolt should be inside the hole. Like this. The next step is set up the front wheel axis. Take off the screw and take out the spring and put the front wheel axis inside. And that you should install the spring, small part first, and after tie the screw and tie the lock. The next step is install pedals. You can see sticker L, it means left pedal, and you can see the direction to tighten. Here's also the sticker, you can see right pedal. Right pedal is on the right side of the bike. You can see the sticker R, direction to tighten the pedal. And use spanner. The next step is install headlight. Take out the screws. This wire should be down. Here's the 2 throats, and you need to put this part inside the second throat, like this, and tie the screws. The same way on the right side. Yes, and tie it by spanner. And now you need to connect wire. The next step is charging. Take a charger block, connect this cable to the battery. Open the cover and you can see the port for charging and the button. You can turn on or turn off the battery. Put the cable in the port. If charging indicator is green, the battery is full. If you can see the red light, the battery needs charging. We have the second method to charge the battery. Here's the keys. When you see green indicator, it means battery is full. If you see red indicator, you need to charge your battery. Now let's come for performance test. Here's the control buttons. Button M, you long press this button and turn on the display. Long press, turn off. The button up, increase your gear, gear 2, gear 3. Button down, decrease your gear, gear 2, gear 1, gear 0. No power mode. Also you can see USB port. You can charge your phone. Here's the light button. Here's the horn button. Here's the Shimano gear. Have 7 speeds. Speed 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and the first speed. And now increase the speeds. Gear 1, gear 2, gear 3, and brake. Bike is ready for riding. Let's go!